What's up, chat? So, this woman keeps asking me, how do I do long division for polynomials? That's what we're going to be tackling in today's video. Cue the intro. So, when discussing long division for polynomials, let's take it down a notch and think about how we're supposed to do long division normally. So, the first step is to take the first digit, right? We're going to be seeing how many 3's can we fit in 3, and that is 1. Next, we're going to be multiplying 1 by 3 and subtract that resulting number into the first digit. And as you can see, we're going to, all that's doing is doing 3 minus 3, which is 0. So now that we've gotten the first digit, let's move into the second one. 3, how many 3's can fit in 3? It's just the same thing. Are we following so far? If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. All we're doing is taking how many 3's can we fit in 9. So if we do simple skip counting, which we learned in 3rd grade, that is going to be 3, 6, 9. So we put 3 up here, and we do the same process. 3 times 3 is 9, we subtract 9 and get 0. And this last 0 right here, we can't really do anything with it because there's no other digits from the dividend which we can divide with. And that means 0 is the remainder. So next, let's move on to what seems to be a more complex topic, but is really just as simple. We can take these individual terms can be visualized as one of the digits in long division. How many 18x squared can we fit in 6x plus 18? So first we take this x and divide it by this term. So x divided by x squared is just going to be x. Now we take 18 divided by 6. How many 6's can fit in 18? That's going to be 3. And that's going to be our first term in the quotient. All we're going to be doing is multiplying this term, 3x, by these two terms individually. 3x times 6x is going to be 18x squared, because we're multiplying x by x and multiplying 3 by 6. And next, we're going to be multiplying 3x by 18, which is going to be 54x. So now, since these two numbers are the same, if we do 1 minus 1, that's 0. So since these two are the same, that's going to cancel out into 0. 30 minus 54x is going to be negative 24x. And that's going to be the next step to our equation. So we just do the same process again. Negative 24 divided by 6 is going to be negative 4. And x divided by x is just 1, which we will disregard in this equation. So 4 multiplied by 6x is going to be, it's just going to be 24x again. And we bring this down, negative 72. Now we'll do negative 4 times 18, which is also negative 72. So we see that these two terms, they're both alike. So not only does this one cancel out, which is what happens normally, this one also cancels out, so which results in 0. That means it's essentially going to have a quotient of 3x minus 4, as well as a remainder of 0. And that's really all for today. If you have any questions, you can just leave those in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer all of them. If you want to try out more of these complex polynomial division equations, you can check out this video in the top right here. And that's all for today, everyone. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Cue the outro. Oh my god. Natumba ko yung mic ko.